Hi guys, I want to do a quick tutorial on how I created this 3D pop-out look in Canva. So you're going to have your blank canvas over here. You're going to go to frames, okay? And you want to have frame numbers. You're going to click see all and you're going to pick whatever number that you're working with, okay? So for the tutorial, I'm going to use the same numbers that I had, which is 17. Okay, I'm just going to group them or grab them both and bring them down some. All right, and I'm going to bring them in the middle. I'm going to go back up to elements, and I'm going to type in football player. Okay, you want to go under photos because you want to use photos for this. This is the photo that I use for the tutorial. I'm going to duplicate it 3 times so that I have 3 copies of it. Okay, I'm just going to drag 1 into the number 1, and then 1 into the number 7. And this is the one that's going to be the pop out. Okay. We're going to remove the background and we're going to make it small for a second. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to bring the 7 a little closer. All right. I'm going to group them and I'm going to lock it. Locking it makes me able to move the character or the person now in front without it going inside the frame. So I'm just going to size this. Okay. And I'm going to make him large, which is going to give us that pop out effect. All right. All right. So now that we have him to the size that we want, I'm going to go up to position. I'm going to go to layers. And I'm just going to move him to the back for a second because I want to work with the numbers. I'm going to unlock them. I'm going to click in to the number 1. And I'm going to drag that photo to the size of the image we already have. Okay. And I line it up the best I can and done. All right. I'm going to do the same thing with the number 7. All right. Done. All right. And as you can see, it's already given us that pop out effect. All right. So what I want to do here is I'm going to take our first image that's in the front and I'm just going to move it up so it gives us more of that pop out effect. And now you see the 1 and the 7. Okay. So now I'm just going to take it all by grouping it and I'm going to move it down. All right. So now I'm going to click on the numbers and I want to give it a thick outline of border. So I'm going to click up where it says stroke style and I'm going to click the stroke weight and I'm going to just make it that one 16 and I'm going to do the same for 7. Okay. All right. And you can easily just type the number in here as well. So I want to change the color. So I'm going to change it to blue. All right. So now, as you see, we still have our guy in the back. I'm going to go back to position, to layers, and move him towards the front. Okay. So we're done with that. So now we just want to create our background. So I'm going back to elements and I'm going to type in football field. And I'm just using the things that I just recently used. So I don't have to, keep typing it in. And this is what I'm doing. I'm just building my background. Right. And I'm sending it to the back. I want to go to edit because I want to make the background a little bright. It's just a little too dim for me. And I'm just going to brightness and lighten it up. All right. I'm going to go back to elements. And I'm going to type in blue lightning. Okay. And you find the blue lightning that you like. All right. I'm just going back to my see all or recently used, sorry, and just using what I have or what I used already. All right. So you're just going to see me at this point designing. Okay. We move that backward. All right. So I also want to put another, person in the little corner here. So what I did was to find the matching character, I put in football ball player blue. So it can give me a character. I'm going to go back to photos, a character that matches this person here, right? Okay, so he doesn't have a number or anything on his jersey. So I just picked this one because it seems to match. I'm going to remove the background. All right. And I'm just going to put him here in the corner. All right. So next I put in scratches. And that's, you want to go for graphics and you pick whatever scratch that you like. All right. I'm just going to click that. I'm going to change it white. I'm going to duplicate it, move it over here, move it backwards. All right. Move that backwards so it's not in the number, it's behind it. All right. I just want to do the same there. Okay. So now we want to go to text. We want to type in a name. All right. Let me change the color so you can see it. All right. Wait 1 second. Let me grab the name. Change the color. And the font that I use is Freshman. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just hit enter. Until it's sideways. All right, let me just fix that. And you can also go up here and you can click the anchor text box and you can click that and it'll make your letters go down to the side. I just didn't feel like doing that for this tutorial. Okay. I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to put a white border around it. It's going to make it thick. And I'm also going to go back up here to advanced settings and I'm just going to do the line spacing to bring the letters closer. Okay. And I'm going to stretch it out. And I'm going to duplicate it and I'm just going to put the year 2025. Okay. I'm going to put it up here in the corner. All right. Also, I want to put like a little design back here. It's like the little polka dots. So in elements, I typed in neon. Okay. And it's this little design here. It's going to change the color to white. Position, move it backwards. Okay. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. And I'm going back to the original photo. And pretty much there you have it. You have the pop out effect in Canva. All right. Really quick, really fast, really simple. You could design or as you like. Don't be scared to play around. Okay. I hope this has helped someone. If you have any questions, please message me or leave a comment and I'll respond to you. All right. Bye-bye.